Hi, Mahendra.
Hi.
Did I catch you at a bad timing?
Kind of. I was about to practice some asanas and meditation.
Oh, meditation. Actually, I have a couple of questions about meditation. Would you be okay if I ask you a couple?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, why not?
I was wondering, can meditation be dangerous?
This is a phobia. Many people ask this question. You're not the first to ask. It will be a little different from your usual experience of your body, your mind. Anything that is unknown to human being usually we categorize as dangerous. Nope, it has nothing to do with religion. When you are at peace with yourself, that is what meditation is. There is no way you should feel. The absolute feeling of yourself is relaxation. Relaxation is the closest I can tell you. When you feel very relaxed, then every breath that you inhale and exhale, that becomes joy. Well, that is closest to relaxation, or that is closest to meditation also. Best way, practice yoga postures, then go through breathing techniques, and then you are closest possible to meditation, or you have created a fertile soil for meditation. It does. When you are focused at that particular moment, you will not have any anxiety, and meditation is all about being focused on that moment. Mindfulness is meditation. Practice mindfulness for 15 minutes, 20 minutes a day. Over a period of time, you can increase it for the whole day. The key element here is being mindful. That's all. So with awareness, it's not possible to go wrong. Basically saying. For a mind which is occupied with so many thoughts, we reduce those points and focus on just one point, that is the chanting or the mantra. And then next step, or the quantum leap in meditation, is even to drop that chanting and just remain conscious as such. In yoga we chant Om. This sound Om can also help you to quieten your mind and prepare the ground for meditation. First, relax. Second, be conscious of the body. Third, be aware of the breath. By and by, with this awareness, genuine awareness, because it happens twice or thrice they practice. Fourth time, they are mechanical with their awareness also. No. So, be aware and you will find thoughts fade away. Because some people have never experienced more depth of relaxation than sleep. So what we do here in meditation is prepare you for something more profound, more deep than just sleep. So what does happen in meditation? We transcend the thoughts, we transcend the emotions. So in this process, mind feels insecure, like as if mind is going to be in trouble, it's going to disappear. So it is a trick of mind to fall asleep. If you remain conscious, there is no way you will fall asleep. So music can make your meditation more effective. So you listen to the classical instruments. Instruments like flute, instruments like the string instruments also help you. So it's good to have music when you're meditating. Well, meditation will trigger some emotions. Basically, don't hold back. If anything comes up, let it flow. You don't become a barrier. And you will find when you let go of all these barriers, when emotions flow through you, calmness comes. Just watch your thoughts. 5 minutes of this meditation, repeat it maybe once, maybe twice, maybe thrice. This will help. So don't count in terms of minutes and seconds. It's not mathematics, it's a poetry. Let it flow through you. So maintaining the stretch and feeling the stretch, feeling the sensations. So it can be your postures, it can be your breathing, it can be relaxation, very effective. It can be anything, but just keep it confined within your body. Nothing of that sort. This is one of the misconceptions that people have. Movement itself is the key to be mindfulness. So movement is perfectly fine to meditate on. Before you sleep, it is necessary to empty your mind, empty the cart so that you're ready for shopping next morning. Well, meditation is all about being comfortable within your skin. But having comfortable clothes, having comfortable temperature around, having comfortable light around helps. These are all aids which can help, but that's not the fixed rule as such.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I'm feeling a little bit hungry right now. I think I'm gonna go make myself comfortable and then meditate. Do you want to grab some lunch?
No.
All
I'll
right.
just finish my self sequence first.
Okay, then I'll disturb you again another time. Bye.
Sure. See you. Bye.
See ya.
Hey guys, thank you for watching the videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe our videos, and for the next video click down.